Welcome to the cold spring of the Nordic archipelago. In this camping adventure, I'm heading back to my best camp I've built on an island, far away. I'll improve my shelter and enjoy the cozy rainy weather. On the first day, I'm kayaking out to the sea. The journey is about 6 hours, so I'm a bit tired once I reach the island. Here is my beautiful stone shelter I built over the course of this year. I'm glad to see it's still standing strong. It is soon time to rest and recover from my long seaside journey. Before settling in, I collect some dry seaweed off the shore to improve the comfort of my sleeping area. And I must also collect firewood. I climb up to the top of the island and find plenty of dead branches, which will ignite instantly. With 15 minutes of work, I have enough firewood for a long time. Inside my shelter is a fireplace made from clay and rocks from the beach. Time to get the fire going. This fireplace is working very well so far, as there is perfect draft through the chimney. In the spring and summer of Finland, it is easy to find herbs such as these on the rocky areas of islands, very good for cooking. Going to fry a lot of eggs to fill up my empty stomach and recover. This view with the sound of the waves and the light breeze is the best place possible to have a peaceful meal. Before heading to sleep, I place some firewood on top of my nearly extinguished fire. Tomorrow, this will be completely dry, easy to ignite. The next morning, I wake up to the sound of rain. The grass roof is pretty thick, but of course some rain is coming through and the sleeping bag has gotten a bit wet. I was not expecting much rain, but fortunately I have a backup tarp laying in my kayak. I'm using that to waterproof my shelter completely. Now I can dry my sleeping bag in front of the heat of the fire. Because it's not raining that much, I can easily get dried up near the fireplace. I head out to get some more building materials for my shelter, as I want to expand the roof in front of the door. Next, I will bury these two sturdy branches into the sand. They will be good supporting pillars for the roof. Sometimes during the day it was raining much more, so I had to hide in my shelter to wait it out. digging as deep as I can to make the pillars stand strong on their own. Then I'm supporting them further by surrounding them with large stones. Testing this area out, I feel like it's going to be a very comfortable place for lounging, especially if it's very hot and I want to sit outside while having cover from the hot sun. That's not an issue this time, of course, but maybe during the next trip when I come here in the middle of the summer. I found a good material for starting the construction of the roof. For some reason there is a steel net laying around the beach, hidden under seaweed and sand. Previously this island was occupied by the USSR, so maybe it's a remnant from that time, or simply something which has washed up more recently. After tying up the net on top of the roof, I can add a lot of seaweeds and grass to make it somewhat waterproof. There is plenty of seaweeds laying around the beach, so I place on as much as I possibly can. A simple, low-effort grass roof like this is not technically waterproof. Instead, it works as a sponge which stops rain until a certain point. Additionally, it completely stops the wind from bringing rain inside through the door. My work for today seems to be done, as there is too heavy rain to continue working outdoors. I'm going to enjoy the warmth and dryness of my shelter and cook myself something to eat while watching the harsh, rainy seaside. Day 3. The weather is clear and dry, and the sky is perfectly blue. Looking at my shelter, I see what I will continue to build on my next trip. This morning I will just clean up the fireplace of my shelter, removing the ash and old coals using this coffee filter I found on the beach. I prepare for my long journey home with a sturdy breakfast and start kayaking over the calm sea. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like to see the next camping adventure, and join me on Patreon or YouTube memberships to access exclusive videos and posts. And as always, don't forget to get out there.